Arabic feels hard, scary alphabet, strange sounds, too many dialects? Not with us. Our expert native teachers make it simple, fun, and enjoyable for everyone.
So please read the word.
Tu,
Yes.
pu,
Great.
ra,
Yes. What a
Who?
difference. Oh, great. Amazing. Yes. So, duburahu.
Start.
كتابي كتابك كتابك كتابه كتابها كتابنا كتابكم and كتابهم.
أحسنتي ما شاء الله.
In our Arabic course, you can pick a learning path that fits you or your family perfectly, whether it's Quranic Arabic, Egyptian colloquial Arabic, basic Arabic, or advanced Arabic. All paths are focused on listening, speaking, reading, and writing, designed to help you become confident in using Arabic. Join us today and feel free to book as many trial sessions as you need to find the right teacher.